As we welcome you to Guardian Haven Academy, our commitment is to keep everyone safe at our day program for adults with disabilities. Upon reopening, we have exceeded CDC guidelines. Our procedures include social distancing, mask and face shields, temperature checks 3 times per day, hand sanitizing, and ongoing COVID testing for our staff. Our achievers always enjoy a day filled with fun and excitement through meaningful activities such as life skills and social skills development, job skills training, recreational activities, and continuing education. We have a team of professionals who are passionate about working with individuals with developmental disabilities. Our care services are specifically designed to help you thrive in day-to-day activities. Guardian Haven Academy's foundation was built on a 5-person centered core values: help others, accomplish goals, value yourself, equality, and never give up. At Guardian Haven Academy, we are dedicated towards serving our community through our top-notch developmental disability services. We are focused on helping individuals achieve a better quality of life by giving our hearts and hands to help you achieve success.